We are here, we are here, we are here with running the levels, looking for market structure and patterns. Okay, guys, we are marking up UPS stock. Let's take a look at what's going on. We're gonna look for some patterns in the market. Let's choose a time frame. Today, let's work with let's go with the 3-hour time frame, see what's going on with that. So while being in a 3-hour time frame, let's find an area that we can mark up on. And let's work with this section right here. So we have let's start with this area here. And let's head up to this area to the high. And then we can go as low as the low. Okay. So, and we can stop it off somewhere towards whenever it ends. So, first thing to identify in the market is you look at the high areas of candles. We can clearly see the high here. We can also see prices broke the higher highs, so it's dominantly going up. Price action lows, you currently see that we are at the lows at this area here. Last but not least, I also like to add the midpoint right in the middle. Also helps out in finding overall markets in the market, overall patterns in the market. Let's see what's going on. Let's head over to this area that we're going to start off with. Let's check out that year. We're looking at a date. So we're looking at, let's start off right here. June of 2021. Let's see what's going on. June 17th, 2021. What happened in that area? There's a few things that happened. First thing that happened that we already know we at that midpoint. We can think of that midpoint as being a low. So we at the midpoint, a low, bottom. We're looking for patterns. We see a W. So we have that first leg, second leg. We have that third leg, fourth leg. So we got that W right here. Multiple retests. Okay, so market retested. Retest, market pushed up once, came back down, market pushed up twice, came back down, market pushed up 3 times, came back down, and then that's average 4. Market can't push up no more after that, so that's market exhausted itself. But we can see we did still get multiple pushes, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're gonna stop at 4. Once you start passing 3 or 4, that means something happened in the market, and what happens? Some type of pattern formed itself. So we're gonna look for that pattern in this area here. Okay, so we already know that we're looking for a pattern, so let's see what pattern we see. There's a pattern sitting right in front of us. If you take it from this level here, that'll be the first leg, this will be the second leg, that's the third leg, this is the fourth leg of the breakout. So we got that break, SR, and we talk about this all the time, that breakout and retest from Forex pattern, from the breakout retest strategies. Go to Google, type that in, click on images, and study these images, what happens. So when you get this break and retest, that's currently where we at right now with this market. That's that market breaking, coming back down for the retest with the doji. And then let's see how many times the market pushed up. Market pushed up once, came back down. Market pushed up twice, came back down. Market pushed up 3 times, came back down. Market pushed up 4. Overall cap, that market's not pushing up anymore. So that's the market exhausted itself. So we already know that what happens after 4, we're looking for some type of pattern. Let's head over to this area, see what pattern formed itself. We clearly see it right here, so we know, let me zoom this down a little bit. We know we can clearly see that we had a high up here. So what happened? Market pushed up once to that high, market pushed up twice, market pushed up 3 times, market pushed up 4, and market dropped. So first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market dropped once, retest, market dropped twice. Okay, so what that means, we had a what? Triple top, 1, 2, 3, 3 pushes to the top. And we already know what happens after 3 pushes to the top. We receive a retest, which is right here, and the market pushed down. Okay, once the market pushed down from that low, okay, you don't have to drop all the way back down to the bottom right away. It's like a midpoint line in this area. It didn't touch it to a T. So that's the same midpoint from that area on the side. If you divide the high and the low, put it right in the middle. So that market's trying to come back to that low. Don't always touch to a T. That market broke back out of it. So that means that market came out of what? Single bottom. Sometimes you may see a double bottom in this area here, but this time it did a single bottom. And let's see how many times the market pushed up. Market pushed up once with this spike. Market pushed up twice with this spike. Market came back down to those dojis. Market pushed up 3rd time with this area. the market dropped. And we have received what? Same pattern as we received on the previous side. 3 pushes to the top. 1, 2, 3. We got the triple top. So we know we get the triple top. The market's doing what? Coming right back down. It's coming down. What are we looking for? The retest. Where's the retest? In this area here. Okay, so that market basically pushed up, came back down, pushed up, came back down, pushed up, came all the way back down, and then it came back to retest this area here. So that's that 3 pushes down to the bottom, came back to retest, final time, and then we finally got that drop. Overall, 4 pushes to the top. Okay, and then that's what pushed that market back down to that midpoint line. Okay, so let's zoom out a little bit so we can see what's going on in the market. So market came back to that midpoint area. It's below the midpoint line. You gotta remember, the lines is not to a T. Sometimes it could be above or below. Depends on how your markups are or where you mark up at. So basically, market came back to that area low, as we can see, but the area of low of the midpoint line, not the area low of the overall structure that we created from the 3-hour time frame as a high, the mid, and a low. Okay, we just working with this area here to see what happened. And what happened in that area? The market pushed down once, came back up. Market pushed down twice, came back up. Market pushed down 3 times, came back up. Once again, got the same pattern once again. What pattern is that? Triple bottom. Let's read it. So we look for them W's. First leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once, retest. Market pushed up twice, retest. Market pushed up 3 times, retest. So we can see that market came from that 1, 2, 3, came from that triple bottom, got a retest in this area. Market pushed up twice to a what? 1, 2. Went back up to the midpoint line, did a double top, and the market pushed right back down. Okay. Hey guys, make sure you study Forex pattern cheat sheet, understand patterns in the market. Make sure you understand what happens when the market does a breakout of the SR line. Hey guys, this is Cam Jones, FX, running the levels. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. UPS stock.